So maybe you can see here, the rain is beating up nicely on the tarp. And it's looking pretty good. It's starting to rain. We got to get under cover. All right, made it. Hello, welcome to WayPoint Survival. Today, it's sprinkling rain already. We've got tornado warnings, but I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna sit in the shelter during the storm to show you how well this works. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. So here's an update. I feel the bottom of this. I mean, it's been raining now for several minutes and the inside is just bone dry. Literally, there's no dampness on the inside, but I can see the water beating up on the outside, and it's coming down. Lots of thunder, and works well. Well, folks, I wanted to stay in here when it was raining really hard, and I'll show you what it looks like right now. It is really coming down. Wind is blowing, and wow! However, still dry. It's enough room to sit up in and without hunching over, so that's good. And still staying totally dry. Matter of fact, I can lay down full length, and my feet are inside down at that end, and out here the other end I've still got another foot or two before my hand will be outside. Maybe you can hear it. Rain's just pitter-pattering down and just running and rolling off. Well, we've got some thunder. As a matter of fact, it's raining so hard, we've got water puddling and pooling up here in front of the tent. But just inside here, a little wet. Yep, ground is nice. So for those of you who don't know, we made this in week 2 of our 30-day hobo challenge, which is a 4-week challenge to build modern hobo type gear using relatively cheap materials so that we can have a full hobo kit that we can then go out and camp with and use just for fun, or if you're trying to make a cheap shelter that you want to give to someone. So this is what we made. I hope you watch the video. We'll make sure and put a link to it, and so you can watch it yourself. It'll be down in the description box below, and of course we can put it up overhead, and you'll be able to watch that. So anyway, this is James Bender for WayPoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also make sure and check out the links in the description box below, just under the More button. While you're down there, you'll find the link for our WayPoint Survival digital class. This is where you can sign up to train in the comfort and convenience of your own backyard the top 20 skills that we consider to be the most important from our Phase 1 Survival and Bushcraft class. You'll also find the link where you can sign up for our WayPoint Survival and Prepping 101 newsletter, absolutely free and sent to you at least once a week, if not more often, in your inbox. You'll also find the link for waypointsurvival.com, which is where you can sign up to take in-person classes at our beautiful training facility here in Southern Ohio. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time. It's starting to rain.